Hey guys, I'm Dr. Vivek Manturi, your name numerologist and a clinical hypnotherapist also. You must have seen my various videos on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. There was always a request from many of my friends that when I'll be starting my offline workshops. During COVID, it was not possible, but yes, now we are coming up with three offline workshops: one in Delhi, one in Mumbai, and one in Bangalore. Mumbai workshop is scheduled on 8th and 9th of July. All these three workshops will be having the same pattern, which is like we'll be covering the basics of numerology, where you will understand the importance of date of birth, where you will understand the importance of your name, how your alphabets are placed, how your alphabets are playing an important role in your life, whether it's your personal life, professional life, whatever it is. How exactly are the health ailments dependent upon your name? How it can be decoded, like you can decode any person's name, that yes, what health issues can happen based on the date of birth, based on alphabets, and based on the zodiacs. You will be understanding how to calculate the important years of the life based on the date of birth, based on name, and there are various other parameters which will be covering. Apart from this, this will be a complete practical workshop where we will be covering major events which have happened in India with the practical example. Because when it is a workshop, it has to be a practical oriented workshop. It just can't be that I'll dictate something and you do it. It will be a complete hands on practical workshop where you will be decoding certain important events in India, how they had happened, and I'll be with you in decoding those events. It will be a complete fun, it will be a complete exposure towards numerology in the different dimensions. So those who are really looking forward to learn the name numerology, understand the medical impacts on the health, how exactly health can be also decoded based on names, how exactly can you define your career based on your name, how your relationship is dependent on your name, then this is the right workshop for you. Register now, or you can call me on my phone number 751-747-1225. So guys, see you at the workshop in Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. See you again very soon. Thank you.